Welcome. This is Bharat Darshan YouTube channel. Travel, explore and enjoy India with me. In this video, we will explore and enjoy some places of Chhattisgarh, the unexplored state for many tourists. Let us start our journey from Ghariaban, a district south to Raipur, the capital of Chhattisgarh. Before we start our journey, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Bhuteshwar Nath Temple, Marauda. Marauda village is situated among thick forest 3 km away from Ghariaban. The Shivling located here is called Bhuteshwar Nath, which is also called Bhakura. In Chhattisgarh, it is recognized as Ardhanarishwar Shivling like Dwadash Jyotirling. This is the world's largest Shivlinga given by the nature and is sparkling in the region surrounded by striking forests and hills. During the time of Zamindari system, hundreds of years ago, Shobha Singh Zamindar, a resident of Para village, had farmland here. When Shobha Singh used to go to his farm in the evening, he used to hear the sound of a bull screaming and lion roaring. He informed this to the villagers. The villagers also heard the same voice in the evening. The bull and the lion were searched. As they could not find any animals, returned back. This happened many times. On one fine day, while on the search, the villagers found a rock in the jungle, which resembled Shivling. They started the worship of this mount. It is said that the size of Mahakal and other Shivlings in the country decreases regularly, while this Shivling, whose size does not shrink but increases every year. People in Para village say that earlier this Shivling was in small form and gradually its height and spheroid increased. This is growing till today. Shivlinga is about 18 feet above the ground and 20 feet spherical. The height of Shivlinga is measured every year by the Revenue Department, which is continuously increasing by 6 to 8 inches. Every year on Mahashivaratri and on Mondays of Shravan month, people with holy water from Mahanadi river arrive here to worship Bhuteshwar Nath. Located in Ghariaban district, about 85 km from the city of Raipur, Jatmai temple is situated amidst lush greenery between the beautiful sites of a small forest. It is one of the very few temples dedicated to goddess Jatmai in India. It is constructed with granite and has beautiful murals at its entrance. The holy place is lit up and decorated with a great enthusiasm during the festivals of Navaratri. It is a place which has peaceful vibes and positivity. It is believed that one's wishes come true if you pray at Jatmai Dham. Architecture of the temple is astonishing, with one massive tower and many smaller ones featuring as its shikara. The temple is carved in granite, giving it an elegant and impressive appearance. Led by a flight of stairs, the idol of Mata Jatmai is located in a sanctum within the temple premises. On the pathway to the temple, there is a beautiful Shivlinga. This has a fascinating and mythological story behind it. Years ago, the fishermen of this area saw a Shivlinga, which appeared miraculously on the pathway to the Jatmai temple. They began digging deep to pull the idol out, but the Shivlinga kept going in deeper into the hole. Eventually, they gave up trying to move the idol as their efforts did not yield any result. On the other side of the temple, Dense trees give a sight of fresh greenery. One can click pictures of this beautiful place as there is no restriction for photography. Another holy place located very close to the temple is the Hanuman statue. Just a few meters ahead of the temple, there is a huge statue of Lord Hanuman which is over 150 feet tall. Ghatarani Waterfalls, located 85 kilometers from Raipur, is considered to be the biggest waterfall of Chhattisgarh state. The name is dedicated to goddess Ghatarani. It is surrounded by lush greenery, is one of the popular picnic spots. There is a temple dedicated to the goddess Ghatarani near the falls. This spot is mainly visited by those devotees who come to seek blessings of deity Jatmai and goddess Ghatarani. This waterfall located 10 kilometers from Jatmai temple. After the monsoon, it is the best time for visit. Beautiful waterfall flows near the temple, which makes this place more attractive. Waterfall is the best place to take a dip before entering the temple. The more adventurous can take a hike in the woods. Travelers are advised to visit the Ghatarani waterfalls during the day as the place is not easily approachable. It takes a short hike through the forest to reach the spot of the falls. There is no food available in this region. Do carry some snacks or food from the town or the city that you start your journey from. Rajim is a nearby junction where one can expect some dhabas. It is recommended to visit the Ghatarani Falls after the monsoon, when it can be witnessed in its full glory. It is also recommended to avoid visiting this particular waterfall during monsoon, as the rough and fast flowing waters and slippery rocks can be dangerous. The Jatmai temple and Ghatarani temple are quite remote from Raipur. Local buses, trains and autos are available to reach till the entry of the forest. However, it is more recommended to arrange a private vehicle to travel with much more ease and comfort. In either case, some amount of walking has to be done after a certain point. The closest railway station is in Raipur at a distance of 85 kilometers from the temple, and the nearest airport is also in Raipur. Popular for its magnificent architecture and rich heritage, Rajim is 45 kilometers far and is 1 hour ride away from Raipur. The town is located on the northeast of Garhwal district. Rajim is known as the Prayag of Chhattisgarh, as the holy confluence of three rivers, Mahanadi, Peri and Sondur, makes it a Triveni Sangam. There are regular bus services from Raipur. Rajim, Vishnu is enshrined as Rajiv Lochan and is situated at Triveni Sangam. The temple's construction rests on 12 columns with artistic stone carvings around them. The stone carvings bear the faces of many gods of Hindu tradition. This temple has a religious significance where people from across the world visit the temple to seek the blessings of Lord Vishnu. The various incarnation temples of Lord Vishnu like Vamana and Narasimha are also in the proximity of this temple. A 7th century inscription recording the construction of the temple and dated to the reign of the king Vilatsunga has been found here. Vilatsunga belonged to a branch of the Nala dynasty. This temple is a notable example of Panchayana Shaili of Mahakoshal architecture. Other temples in the town. Kuleshwar Mahadev Mandir is near the Rajiv Lochan temple on the banks of river Mahanadi. Nearby, there is the ashram of Lomasha Rishi. Ghatoriya Mahakali Mandir is another temple on the banks of Mahanadi. The idol of Bhagavan Parshvanath at Jain temple was of 2000 years old, and it was found by few people during Rajim Kumbh. Rajim Kumbh is celebrated every year during mid-Feb to March, spread over a span of 15 days. It attracts thousands of Naga sadhus, sants, Mahatmas, Rishis, Munis and Margadasha Gurus from across India and beyond. The Kumbh is arranged at the Triveni Sangam. Within the same festival, an event Rajiv Lochan Mahotsav is held. Various music and dance performances conducted in the fair displays the rich culture of Rajim. One can neglect their gadgets and spend a day at Purkhauti Muktangan, which is a delightful garden reflecting the rich culture of Chhattisgarh. The Honorable President, late APJ Abdul Kalam, inaugurated the place in November 2006. Since then, this garden is a place that attracts millions of tourists and locals alike. Folk art, lifelike tribal figures, vibrant sceneries add on to the beautiful experience. The eye-catching garden not only attracts visitors, but it also spreads cultural awareness about preserving our biocultural diversity. The Purkhauti Muktangan flaunts the huge figures of several tribals performing various folk arts and other treasures of Chhattisgarh. It is an apt place to understand the rich culture and heritage of the local tribes of Chhattisgarh and to impart the same knowledge to the kids. The gallery also has a miniature models of Chhattisgarh state tourism sites like Kavardha, Bhoramdev, Mata Danteshwari temple in Dantewada, Chitrakot of Bastar, the Jagadalpur forest and several folk dance models. The key feature of the Purkhauti Muktangan is that one can expect to witness the whole of Chhattisgarh under one roof. There is a restaurant available outside the park and several other places for snacks. It makes for a fun and educational tourist spot where one can roam about its premises leisurely with family. Here we come to the end of the video. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel and see many virtual tour videos across India. Subscribe to Bharat Darshan channel for Tour of India and subscribe to Bharat Vansh channel to know about history and genealogy of Indian dynasties. Link for the same provided in the description.